Are you wondering which 3D software is best for you? Today, we're comparing Cinema 4D, Blender, and Houdini. Each of these tools has its strengths and weaknesses. All three programs create stunning 3D graphics. They are used in animation, game design, and visual effects, but they each have a different focus and user experience. Let's start with Cinema 4D. This software is known for its user-friendly interface. It's great for motion graphics and has powerful tools for animation. Many professionals in the film and advertising industries use it. Its integration with other Adobe products is also a big plus. Now, let's talk about Blender. This software is open source and completely free. It offers a wide range of features from modeling to sculpting to animation. Blender has a strong community that shares tutorials and resources. It's perfect for beginners and experienced users alike. Plus, its flexibility makes it suitable for various projects. Finally, we have Houdini. This tool is famous for its advanced simulation capabilities. It's used in high-end visual effects and complex animations. Houdini has a steeper learning curve, but it rewards users with powerful features. It's ideal for those who want to dive deep into 3D effects. So, what are the key differences? Cinema 4D excels in motion graphics, while Blender offers versatility and is budget friendly. Houdini stands out for its simulation power but requires more time to learn. In terms of pricing, Cinema 4D and Houdini have subscription models, while Blender is free. This makes Blender very appealing for those just starting. In conclusion, if you're into motion graphics, go for Cinema 4D. If you want a free tool with lots of features, choose Blender. For advanced effects and simulations, Houdini is the way to go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.